Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert Excel to CSV format? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Excel to CSV Converter software designed with special forensics features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Tap on the Open button. Select Choose File, and choose Folder, to import the file. We are moving with Choose File options. Window open, select the files, and tap on the Open button. Now all the files are listed on the left side of the software panel. And selected file details will preview on the right side of the software panel. Here you see two options. First one. Sheet contains header. If you want to see the Excel file header name, then select this option. And in case you want to see all the columns, select the Show All Record button. To search for any data elements from your file, click on the quick search bar. Now, just enter the keyword, and search the information in the related emails of the folder. The software highlights your searched keyword in yellow color. This way you can search the keywords in other file. Now, tab on the Export button, then click on the CSV option. To convert your file, window opens with the same interface. Deselect and select the file from the left panel to convert into CSV. Tap on the Browse button to save your resultant file. Disable and enable these options as per the need. Now moving with Sheet Header options. This filter provides you the three options for your resultant file. As per sheet setting, if you want to see the information the same as on your file, all sheet contains the header, all the data will have the header. No sheet contains header. If you do not want any header in the resultant file, you can select any options at your convenience. I am choosing this option, as per sheet setting. Move down, Sheet Save option. All sheet a separate file. With this option, you can convert all the tabs of the Excel sheet into separate CSV files. All sheets in a single file. With this option, you can convert all the tabs into a single CSV file. A single file of the common header. If you want to convert data whose headers are the same, then move with this option. I am choosing all sheet a separate file. For the final step, click on the Save button to convert the data. Once the task get completed, click on the OK button. Go to Open Folder button, tap on the button to see the resultant file. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.